Welcome to Best Shot Travel. I am so excited you are here with us today. We are about to embark on an incredible journey to one of my favorite places on the entire planet. This is a country that captured my heart and my taste buds a long time ago. It is a place of endless discovery, where every corner holds a new adventure. The energy here is simply electric. You can feel it in the bustling streets of the city, in the calm of ancient temples, and you can definitely taste it in the incredible food. Thailand is often called the Land of Smiles, and it is a name that is truly earned. From the moment you arrive, you are greeted with a warmth and friendliness that is simply contagious. This is a country that has perfected the art of hospitality. It is a place where visitors are welcomed not as tourists, but as guests. This spirit of generosity is woven into the very fabric of Thai culture. This beautiful kingdom in Southeast Asia truly offers something for everyone. From futuristic skyscrapers of Bangkok to humble wooden homes in rural villages, it's a place where ancient traditions live alongside modern life in perfect harmony. Our journey begins in the dynamic heart of Thailand, Bangkok, or Krung Thep, as it's affectionately known by the locals. This sprawling metropolis is more than just a city. It's an incredible, pulsating whirlwind of energy. Imagine a place where ancient traditions meet modern aspirations, where the aroma of street food mingles with the scent of incense from ornate temples. Bangkok is a beautiful chaos, a constant dance of motion and sound that captivates the senses. It's a city that never sleeps, always offering something new to discover around every corner. From bustling markets to serene temples, Bangkok is a city of contrasts, a place where the unexpected is always just a moment away. It's a city that truly embodies the spirit of Thailand, a place of warmth, hospitality, and endless possibilities. No visit to Bangkok is complete without experiencing the grandeur of the Grand Palace, a breathtaking complex of stunning architecture and a repository of sacred history. This is where you'll find yourself immersed in the rich cultural heritage of Thailand, surrounded by ornate buildings, intricate carvings, and a palpable sense of reverence. And just a stone's throw away, you'll find Wat Pho, the home of the gigantic reclining Buddha. The sheer size of this golden statue is truly awe-inspiring. It's something you have to see with your own eyes to fully appreciate its magnificence. The intricate details, the peaceful expression, and the sheer scale of the reclining Buddha will leave you speechless. It's a testament to the artistry and devotion of the Thai people, a symbol of peace and enlightenment that resonates with visitors from all over the world. As we journey north, leaving behind the frenetic pace of Bangkok, we arrive in Chiang Mai, often referred to as the Rose of the North. The atmosphere here is a world away from the bustling capital, offering a completely different perspective on Thai culture. Here, life unfolds at a much more relaxed and laid-back pace, allowing you to truly soak in the beauty of the surroundings. The air is cleaner, the pace is slower, and the overall vibe is one of tranquility and serenity. And of course, no trip to Chiang Mai is complete without a visit to Wat Phra That Doi Suthep, a magnificent temple that sits majestically on a mountain overlooking the city. The climb to the top is an adventure in itself, and the view from the summit is absolutely spectacular. From here, you can see the entire city stretching out before you, a breathtaking panorama that will stay with you long after you've left. Now let's set our sights south, where we'll discover the idyllic islands of Thailand, the picture-perfect paradise that you've undoubtedly seen, gracing countless postcards and travel brochures. These islands are the epitome of tropical beauty, offering a stunning combination of pristine beaches, crystal-clear waters, and lush vegetation. Phuket, Thailand's largest island, beckons with its beautiful beaches, vibrant nightlife, and a wide array of activities to suit every taste. Whether you're looking to relax on the sand, explore hidden coves, or dance the night away, Phuket has something for everyone. And just a short distance away lies Krabi, a province renowned for its towering limestone karsts that dramatically jut out of the turquoise water. These natural wonders create a breathtaking landscape that is unlike anything else in the world. Krabi is a haven for rock climbers, kayakers, and anyone who appreciates the raw beauty of nature. Thailand's history is a story of powerful kingdoms, incredible art, and a fierce spirit of independence. The ruins of ancient capitals, Sukhothai and Ayutthaya, are now UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Walking through these historical parks is like stepping back in time. Thai culture is deeply influenced by Buddhism. About 95% of the population is Buddhist, and this faith shapes daily life, art, and social etiquette. You'll see spirit houses outside almost every home and business, a beautiful blend of Buddhism and older animist beliefs. The single greatest treasure of Thailand is, without a doubt, its people. The famous Thai smile is not just a marketing slogan, it's a genuine expression of a culture that values kindness, politeness, and a non-confrontational way of life. This philosophy is often summed up by the phrase, "Mai pen rai," which translates to, "It's okay," or "Don't worry about it." This laid-back, easygoing attitude is incredibly refreshing and makes interactions pleasant and welcoming. When the sun goes down in Thailand, a whole new world comes to life. In Bangkok, you can sip cocktails at glamorous rooftop bars or dive into the backpacker scene on Khao San Road, a street famous for its lively bars and buckets of cheap cocktails. Koh Phangan's Full Moon Party is perhaps the most famous party in all of Southeast Asia, a massive celebration with thousands of people, fire dancers, and music pumping until sunrise. But Thailand also offers chilled-out beach bars, where you can enjoy a drink with your feet in the sand. Beyond partying, you can watch electrifying Muay Thai matches, or enjoy graceful traditional Thai dance performances. The night markets are a feast for the senses, with endless street food stalls and unique souvenirs. Thailand loves a good celebration. The most famous festival is Songkran, the Thai New Year in April, basically the world's biggest water fight. For 3 days, the entire country erupts in joyous celebration, where people drench each other to symbolically wash away the past year's misfortunes. Loi Krathong in November is truly magical. People float beautiful decorated krathongs on water to pay respect to the water goddess. In Chiang Mai, this coincides with Yi Peng, where thousands of paper lanterns are released into the night sky, one of the most photogenic experiences you'll ever witness. Oh, the food! For me, this is the absolute best part of Thailand. It's more than just sustenance, it's an experience, a journey for your taste buds. Thai cuisine is an amazing explosion of flavors, a symphony conducted with spices and fresh ingredients. It's all about finding the perfect balance between spicy, sour, sweet, and salty. This harmonious blend is what makes Thai food so unique and universally loved. The ingredients are incredibly fresh, sourced daily from local markets, and the commitment to flavor is just incredible. Every dish tells a story, reflecting the region's history and cultural influences. From the fiery chilies to the fragrant herbs, each component plays a vital role in creating a culinary masterpiece. It's a testament to the Thai people's passion for food and their dedication to preserving traditional recipes. Street food is the heart and soul of Thai cuisine. It's everywhere, delicious, and incredibly cheap. You can find it on every corner, in every alleyway, and it's an integral part of daily life. It's a social experience, a chance to connect with locals and immerse yourself in the vibrant culture. Some of my favorites include som tum, a spicy green papaya salad that's fresh and addictive. The combination of shredded papaya, chilies, lime juice, fish sauce, and peanuts creates an explosion of flavors that will awaken your senses. And then there's pad krapao, the ultimate Thai comfort food served with a fried egg on top. The stir-fried basil, meat, and chilies create a savory and spicy dish that's both satisfying and addictive. The runny yolk of the fried egg adds a creamy richness that perfectly complements the other flavors. You absolutely must try Pad Thai, the iconic noodle dish that's known worldwide. The combination of rice noodles, shrimp, tofu, peanuts, and bean sprouts creates a delightful mix of textures and flavors. Tom Yum Goong soup bursting with lemongrass and lime flavors is a must-try for its tangy and aromatic broth. It's a perfect balance of spicy, sour, and savory, and it's incredibly refreshing. And don't forget to explore the various curries like green curry and massaman. Green curry is known for its vibrant color and spicy kick, while massaman is a milder, sweeter curry with influences from Persian cuisine. Don't miss regional specialties like khao soi in Chiang Mai, a creamy coconut curry noodle soup that's absolutely incredible. The combination of soft noodles, crispy noodles, and a rich, flavorful broth makes it a truly unforgettable dish. Each region of Thailand has its own unique culinary traditions, so be sure to explore and discover new flavors wherever you go. Shopping in Thailand is an adventure with something for every budget. Chatuchak Weekend Market in Bangkok is enormous with over 15,000 stalls. For air-conditioned comfort, Thailand's modern shopping malls are world-class, offering everything from luxury brands to great bargains. Look for unique local products like Thai silk, beautiful Celadon ceramics, hand-carved elephants, and traditional crafts. For tasty souvenirs, you can buy curry paste packets, dried fruits, or unique snacks to take home as special mementos of your amazing trip. As our 13-minute journey through the captivating kingdom of Thailand draws to a close, I sincerely hope you're feeling as invigorated, excited, and inspired as I am. It's been a whirlwind of sights, sounds, and flavors, hasn't it? We've navigated the bustling, energetic streets of Bangkok, discovering hidden alleyways and iconic landmarks. We found serenity in the tranquil spiritual temples of Chiang Mai, absorbing the rich cultural heritage. We've basked in the sun on the stunning picturesque beaches of the south, feeling the soft sand between our toes. And of course, we've been embraced by the warmth and genuine hospitality of the Thai smile, a universal symbol of welcome and kindness. This journey, I hope, has only sparked a deeper desire to explore this incredible country. As you embark on your own Thai adventure, remember to be a conscious and respectful traveler, immersing yourself in the local culture while minimizing your impact. When visiting temples and sacred sites, dress modestly, covering your shoulders and knees as a sign of reverence. Embrace the beautiful Y greeting, a slight bow with hands pressed together as a gesture of respect and goodwill. Take the time to learn a few basic Thai phrases, even simple ones like Sawasdi for hello and Kopkun for thank you. The locals will truly appreciate the effort. With Thailand's tropical climate, it's crucial to stay hydrated, so drink plenty of water. Perhaps even indulge in some refreshing coconut water straight from the source. And most importantly, embrace the Mai Pen Rai philosophy, a uniquely Thai concept that encourages you not to sweat the small stuff, to let go of minor frustrations, and to approach life with a sense of ease and acceptance. Ultimately, the real magic of Thailand isn't just in the famous landmarks or the stunning scenery, but in the authentic moments you experience along the way. It's in the spontaneous conversations you have with friendly vendors at the local markets, the pure joy of savoring the perfect bite of mango sticky rice, the breathtaking beauty of a peaceful sunset over the Andaman Sea. It's these small, seemingly insignificant moments that weave together to create memories that will undoubtedly last a lifetime. Thank you from the bottom of my heart for joining me on this virtual tour of Thailand. I sincerely hope you enjoyed the video and that it has inspired you to plan your own unforgettable journey. Remember to enjoy every moment of your travels, embrace new experiences, and always greet the world with a smile. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest travel guides and adventures. We have so much more to share with you.